Good morning, everyone. I am Virender Verma, DGM Digital and Transaction Banking, State Bank of India. I am posted at Trivandrum at local head office. So earlier, my esteemed CGM Shri Pravangsa has already covered the banking history of SBI, and he has taken you through entire journey of SBI from manual banking to digital transformation. So as part of that journey, I'll be covering the few digital solutions which helps the audience, particularly this group of gathering here, be it government or IT and corporate and SME. These products are very useful for conducting their usual business of collections, payments, and liquidity management. So I'll be starting my very short presentation, and where all these products are very relevant and suitable for this segment of the audiences. Basically, the digital transaction banking solutions are technology driven. Earlier, used to be a completely manual way of dealing with the check collections, cash collections. All these systems are paper based collections. They were used, all the processes in the banks were manual. Now, all this system has been converted to digital, and we are all are technological driven, which also provides customized MIS, as well as they are capable of posting the bulk transactions at a click of a mouse, which saves the not only saves the time but also the reconciliation of all the corporates as well as government and SME or IT companies, whosoever the customers of the bank. Basically, we can divide these digital solutions into three categories. One is collection, second is payment, and third is liquidity management. The collection has two parts. One is paper-based collection like checks, cash, and another is e-collection like post machines, your payment gateways, or maybe SB Collect, or many mode of collection, e-collection, which you can think of. Every bank has different form of and their names and nomenclatures. We in SBI, I'll be presenting the few names. Similarly, payments can also be done through checks as well as manually through, and as well as e-mandates and e-form also. And liquidity management obviously covers the collection of cash, deposit of cash, and is the form of all MIS available to the corporate and government bill. The first solution, which is most suitable and which is very prominent in the market nowadays, is the payment gateway. SBI, as the leader in this digital transformation, also we have our own payment gateway, and we are the only bank which has its own payment gateway. Rest all the banks in the Indian banking system, they depend upon third party payment gateways like BillDesk, PayU, PayPal. All are third party, and we are the only bank which has this payment gateway developed by our own team. We have a large setup at our Navi Mumbai Global IT Center. A dedicated team is working and being developed and taking care, maintenance and everything, service part. It's around 7,000 people are working in my Global IT Center, which is catering to all the IT solutions available in the bank, including this e-payment gateway. As on March 23rd, we have around 2,200 merchants onboarded on this platform. With the success rate in this platform is 86%. And technical decline is very minuscule, that is 0.1%. And number of transaction processed during the last financial year 22-23 is 12 crores, and 4 lakh crore of value of transaction was processed. Basically, a payment aggregate solutions is available through INB. All the channels which we can think of is made available on this platform, like internet banking, credit and debit cards, cash, NEFT, all type of wallets. And it's a comprehensive, very cost-effective tool to make the collection online. Instead of collecting it one by one, this can be integrated with the platform of the merchant, be it government or corporate. Particularly because this is an e-government summit, so I'll be harping on the government part of it. So we have been providing this platform to all government department in Kerala, also in Trivandrum particularly. Many government departments has been onboarded on this platform, and they have been benefited out of this because their collection has become automated and the MIS is real time available. which has taken away their worries of reconciliations and the dependence on the account departments, and basically the errors which used to happen has been taken away. Merchant hosted this aggregate based model. Rekha, would you like to say anything on this? Yeah.
There are two types of models in this. One is the bank hosted model, in which we will provide the APIs and that will be integrated with the web portal of the merchant, and you can make the collections through the portal. Otherwise, there is another option available, that is a merchant hosted model, wherein the hosting will be done by the merchant and we will enable the payments through this gateway.
So both the mode are available, integration and otherwise. Next solution is e-payments. Basically, e-payments is part of our cash management product. Through e-payment, this 24/7 settlement of all the clients can happen. It is always available 24/7. It can be used. There are two models: host to host and SFTP also, and web service. All the three models are available. Even through API integration can be done to this. Authorization based on authorized metrics shared by the client. So you can decide your own authorization metrics. The complete freedom is given. Who will be maker, who will be checker, who can do what job. That all can be decided by the merchant itself. So the complete freedom and control is there. So, and this security wise, it's foolproof, and State Bank provides all kind of security aspects, take care of all the security aspects of it. Simply the process flow, if you look at it, from client, the current account, because the transaction banking account is generally current account or saving account, maker and checker of at the client end, and it uploads on the portal and authorizes an e-payment through CMP portal or SFTP. It can go to the through any NEFT, RTGS or direct credit. It goes to the beneficiaries. The process is very smooth and simple, and the real time MIS is also available. This is the one way of e-payment collection. Next is liquidity management. In liquidity management, generally everybody go to the branches and deposit the cash without, and then the MIS is a very big challenge for all the corporates as well as the government department, because they have numerous number of branches. Who is depositing, where is depositing, and finally whether the sweep is happening, they want to take it back to the pooling main account at the evening. This all can be taken care by this simple product of liquidity management, which is part of cash management product, e-collection, e-payment. This form, there are bundle product, you can select one and you can select all also. As per the choices of the particular merchant, we can give them these products. The functionality of this fund sweep from parent to child and reverse sweep can also happen from parent to child in reverse sweep, and child to parent is the main sweep. Generally, the child to parent is generally used, but in many cases also it has been observed that reverse sweep is also used from parent to child for disbursing their salaries, maybe for expenditures. Similarly, at the end of the EOD or SOD, this activity is carried out, and MIS is available real time. So these are, and all this, they are such an automated instruments, and which can help in basically management of your payments, collections, and liquidities. All these aspects can be taken care by these instruments or these tools, the digital technology tools, which is really helpful. Next is API banking. Madam Rekha will explain all this.
Okay, so we have seen how collections and payments solutions are available. What are the payments and collection solutions available with the bank? So all these solutions nowadays, most of the government departments and most of the tech companies all are going for integrations, not for the simple straight away on the go products. So all these solutions, all these banking solutions we are now offering through APIs. So we are having an API hub also. So if some fintech or some software company wants to integrate and wants to co-create some innovative solution, our API hub is there. They can register and they can immediately get the sandbox environment. They can test their solutions and co-create innovative solutions that are available. Earlier we have explained how collection is enabled through our own payment gateway. like SBI is the only bank having its own payment aggregator services. So in that we are providing APIs for collecting from various channels like cards, INB, UPI, various wallets, and etc. And we have the cash management solution for making payments, enabling payments, whether it is real-time payment, one-to-one payment, or in batch mode. So the same sort of services we are providing through this API banking also. So if, even we are providing straight-through process also, even without requiring for an intermediary authorizer to manually authorize a transaction. We can send the data in a digitally signed manner, and the system will pass that, and the transaction can happen straight through. So these several APIs are available, and including authorization APIs and balance check APIs, statement APIs, apart from this payment and collection APIs. So the process is also very simple. We can go to the website and register, and they can immediately get the sandbox environment. And once that is done, they can, if the company wants to move on to the UAT and production, they can fill up the documents and submit to us. And once it is approved, we can provide the live keys, and it can be rolled out. So we have already integrated with many companies, and in Kerala also several integrations are right now going on. And with government departments also, we have already integrated for various solutions. And right now some integrations are still going on also, and we are expecting it to roll out next coming months.
So this is all about these products. Basically, these are the most suitable product and the latest one, because there are many other products which because that due to the paucity of the time we are not covering all. But they are the main product which suits to the requirement of government, corporate, and SME, which can be really helpful in managing their accounting and all the collection, payment, and liquidity management. So thank you very much. Thanks for the patience hearing. Thank you.